A Kenyan court suspended a U.S. plan to quarantine Ebola-exposed Americans on African soil on the same day the facility was scheduled to open. The 50-bed isolation unit at Laikipia Air Base, 200 kilometers from Nairobi, was set to receive U.S. nationals arriving from an outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo that has killed more than 200 people. Kenya has 0 known Ebola cases. The Katiba Institute, a Kenyan rights group, argued the arrangement violated the Constitution because it was established in secrecy, without public participation or parliamentary oversight. The timing was critical. The facility was hours from accepting patients when Court Judge Patricia Nyaundi issued the suspension order. Kenyan doctors threatened a 48-hour strike, warning the country risked becoming a dumping ground for a virus the U.S. appeared unwilling to bring onto its own soil. The Law Society of Kenya said the country lacks the high-containment infrastructure required to safely manage Ebola patients. The outbreak involves the Bundibugyo strain, a variant with no approved vaccine or treatment. Washington pledged $13.5 million for Kenya's Ebola preparedness, but the court will now decide whether foreign aid can override constitutional safeguards designed to protect public health and democratic process. Kenya has implemented enhanced Ebola screening measures and public health arrival restrictions at its points of entry. The move comes as health authorities monitor outbreaks in neighboring regions and seek to prevent cross-border transmission. The screening protocols target travelers from affected areas and include temperature checks and health questionnaires at airports and land crossings. The restrictions demonstrate proactive disease containment efforts to protect Kenya's population from potential imported cases. This reflects the broader challenge of managing infectious disease threats in East Africa, where porous borders and regional travel complicate outbreak response.